Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and I'm so excited! I have my Vegancut box, my very first box from Vegancuts, and I do have a coupon code for you guys right here. You can save $5 off when you use my referral link and my code. That's $5 you can save off. Super exciting. Mama Joyce and I unboxed this. I'm going to show you some clips here of Mama Joyce. Okay, so that was her first impression. She's not really into, you know, beauty products and all that stuff, but I really did get her to use the serum, the lotion, and she really liked the lotion, so I ended up giving it to her. And I do have the box here that I am going to be reviewing for you guys. Now, quick little disclaimer, this video is sponsored by Vegancuts, so thank you Vegancuts for sponsoring this video. So exciting. And I'm going to show you clips right here of what the box looks like when you open it. So cute. The packaging, I love the packaging. Like, I felt like it was just so fancy how they had like a little shredded paper and your little card. I mean, it's like other subscription boxes, but it was just cute. And so it's just a dainty little box. I really liked it a lot. And now it's time to get into the products. The products, okay, the lotion. I really love the scent of this lotion, and I'm going to show you everything that I got, and I have tested everything in my box. So I'm not going to sit here and say I like this box without me trying it. I have literally tested every product, and I have clips of each time I've tested my product out. Now, this hair serum I actually just put on my hair. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. And my hair, it smells so good. I even had Glenn fill my hair because like I naturally have like really bushy, thick hair. You can see it's still kind of bushy and thick, but I have not straightened it. So when I haven't straightened my hair, it just kind of like frizzes out really bad. And you can kind of see it's got some like shine to it, especially this side right here. See how it's like really shiny? You probably can't tell it. The camera does not do it justice. It feels soft. I mean, it may not look like it is, but hold on. Off the brush. Okay, here's my brush. So watch. Look at that. And if you don't have thick hair, you don't know what in the world I'm doing. But I have such thick hair, and like, okay, underneath here I didn't put a lot of it there. You see how it's kind of like frizzy? But look, watch. Look at that. See down there? Now look up here. This is where I put a lot of the serum at. I'm telling you, it feels so good. It's silky, and I am going to be completely honest with you. This little product here, Vegancuts, if you're watching this, please send me a huge bottle of this. I am in love with this product. This product alone, hold on, let me give you some information about this product. This is, I can't even begin to pronounce any of this. I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's this hair serum. It's $34 for this bottle right here. And it is, okay, let's see. I'm just gonna put all this information on the screen right here for you guys. When used in hair care, seaweed coats strands with essential fatty acids and nutrients, helping them rebuild and grow stronger while also improving texture and shine. I knew it! So I'm telling you, this right here, am I focused? This is a lifesaver. Like, I am not even kidding you, like, to be completely honest. So, we went hiking today. Humid. I was sweaty, my hair was nasty. I came home, I took a shower, and I air dry my hair. Like, I literally wash it, I throw it in a towel dry it, and let it air dry. That's how I do my hair. So when I do that, my hair gets kind of really poofy. Like, my hair is really poofy. So I was like, how am I gonna fix this? So I came in here, my hair's still kind of damp in the back, just a little bit damp, just a little bit. And I put this serum all through my hair, and I brushed it. And when I done that, I'm gonna actually put a little bit more, because a little more never hurt anybody. Oh, it smells so good. Now this is how I put it through my hair. Now look. Look at that. You can see it. You can actually see that. It just has that silky, and it's, look, see. Oh, my hand looks weird in there. Why is that fatty? Anyway, you can see it though, see? So silky. This right here, the smell is just, love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm actually gonna be putting this on my hair every time I take a shower. Every time I take a shower. Buy this product right here. If you do not like it, come for me in the comments. That's how sure I am that you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So use my code MzPat for $5 off. Now look. Look at that. Look at that. I'm telling you, you will love this product. Oh, sorry. My hair's back in there. Look at that. You can just tell. I'm telling you, I love it. I actually have a hard time finding products that I actually like for my hair. Again, this right here is life-changing. Life-changing. Okay, so moving on in the box. I have had, if you've watched my vlogs, you know I've had some back problems with the shoulder here. It started out like in my back, like right in the spine, and it moved down to like my shoulder blade and then down my back a little bit. So the other night, I was like, Glenn, I got this new vegan box. Can you try some products out for me? He starts pulling them out and he pulls this out. This is Soul Spring Soothing Muscle Rub, and it has hemp CBD. Now, it does have, look at it, that's all it looks like. You can already see where we've used it. And it has like a menthol in it. So it kind of reminds me of that icy hot that you put on your back. But this is like all natural, cruelty free, and it's got CBD in it. So I put that on my back. I felt it kind of like tingly, and I could smell the menthol. I could literally smell the menthol in it. But I didn't have no back pain. I've been having this burning sensation, like literally this burning sensation in my shoulder, like right in here. I've been having that for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, if not longer. And when he put this on my back, I was instantly relieved. I'm not even like playing, like not even trying to hype this product up. This right here, yeah, I need another sample of this. I am telling you, it's way worth it. And that, my friends, is $4 for 15 ounce. It's the perfect balance, okay? It's got mint, hemp CBD, and menthol. So it did have the menthol in it. Definitely worth it. Now, this right here, I did try it out in the shower. I got Glenn to try it out in the shower. Glenn does not like to try anything. So I had to bargain with him, you know, well and deal, and be like, hey, will you try this out for me so I can get a review from a guy's perspective. He tried this out on his little sponge in the shower, and shockingly, he really liked it. Even though he's like, it's okay. We know he liked it, because even I say it's okay, he would have complained about it if he did not like it. Anywho, I tried it out. It's the French lavender, so I ended up trying this, and it is cruelty free. This is another good product that is also in your beauty box, and it runs $2 for this, so that's not a bad deal at all. Now for the smelling good stuff. This right here, my friends, I use a lot because I promised Mama Joyce she could have this. She absolutely loved it. She loved it so much. She's like, can I keep it? I'm like, I've got to finish doing my review video, but yeah, you can have it after. It smells really good too. And look, you can just see it's silky. And Mama Joyce has been wanting something because she is an older female and she's starting to have like drier skin, and she's having just some as we get older, female issues with, you know, like dry skin and wrinkles and stuff. And I told her, this product right here, it's non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and it's California made, which, you know, she don't care if it's made in California or not, but it's for all skin types. So yes, Mama Joyce really likes this product, and I've got to hurry up and do this video and give it to her because I promised her she could have this. As soon as she tried it on, she's like, I want that product. This runs $18, and for flaky, it hydrates your skin, and it's lightweight. It's very lightweight. Like, it's just like, you can't see. Like, it's really lightweight, and it smells so good. Now for something else I've tried out. This right here. I'm gonna put the pictures right here for you guys. I did try this out. I loved this face mask. Like, it smells so good. Like, have you ever had a face mask when you're like applying it, you're like, oh my goodness, if I could just eat this. And that sounds so weird, but like, it just smelled so good that you just know it had taste good. But you know, I did not eat my face mask. It is my skin, look at it. I've been having problems with my skin like being really dry because I've been going out of the house, and it's been kind of cool in the house and go outside in the heat, and then we've had cold weather and I go from hot to cold. I've been getting dry skin. I use this face mask and my face just felt so silky. My face felt so like smooth. My face just felt without a beauty filter. I didn't need it. So, and you can kind of see I have a little bit of a glow going on here. That is from my face. I have no foundation on whatsoever. I actually have eyeliner on just a little bit because I'm getting ready to hop in the shower. And when I get ready to hop in the shower, I am going to put this all over me before I get to Mama Joyce, of course, because, you know, I gotta have one more last try of it. So yes, guys, that is all for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed my unboxing. Some of you guys has already bought your little box. I thought this was so cute. No bunny was hurt during the making of this box. Is that not cute? So thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for shopping Vegancuts and using my link. It really means a lot to me. And a huge shout out to Vegancuts for sponsoring this video. I am just so thrilled to be able to work with Vegancuts, and I love my beauty box so much. And guys, if you try your beauty box with Vegancuts, I can guarantee you there will be at least one, if not two products that you absolutely love. So give it a try, and why not give it a try when you can save $5 off with my code right here. That's right, you can save $5 off, so go ahead. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tijneyewear, and I'll see you guys in my very next video.